Highly recommend. I would highly recommend OYO 112 Semiramis Hotel. Perfect location, friendly staff. I enjoyed staying with them. Nice. Great stay. Great and quiet place. Exceptional. What a good experience. Clapping. Nice experience. Strongly recommended. Nice experience. Strongly recommended. Exceptional. Staff was excellent. Very friendly and helpful. Great service. Nice. Good service. Overall comfortable stay. Room size, good. There was sofa and dresser and wardrobe too, with 2 queen-size beds, AC, working fine water heater, working fine beds, comfortable and clean bathroom, clean. Towel and toiletries were not present but they brought immediately upon call. Location, good check-in check-out, smooth reception, only understands English. Overall stay, comfortable.